Hey G Squad, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool right here, and basically what this is a gaming chair that has a recliner option. So basically my previous video I actually did like an unboxing for this product where I show you guys how to set it up and what is actually included in here. And the whole setup process took roughly an hour to actually fully set it up. But I feel like it should take less than an hour for you guys to set everything up if you guys didn't have to record it like how I did in the video. But you see everything on here definitely looks pretty nice. They give you guys like a neck pillow, a lumbar support, and just the overall design of the product actually looks very nice and very luxury, even though they do use like fox leather on here. But here is basically what the product looks like from the front. Here is the side, here is the back, and then here is the other side. And when you guys do roll it around, the wheels are actually pretty quiet, it's not that loud. And if you guys want to turn on here, you do have the option to turn 360 and it is pretty quiet. And if you guys can see, the design of the one that we do have right here is a white color. They do have this available in many other colors as well. So you definitely want to do your own research to see which one you prefer. But now let's sit down and show you guys what else is on here first. So when you do sit down on here, it actually feels pretty comfortable. I do love the fact that how it does have this curved option on the side to give you guys that more support and also give you guys that cushion when you guys do sit down on here. And I love the fact that how it give you guys this lumbar support pillow in the back that's adjustable, so that way you can raise it up and down, which is really convenient, especially if you guys are on computer all day for a long period of time. And I also love this pillow option in the back right here to give you guys that support for your neck. And you can see on the side right here, the way how they design it actually give you guys two levers that I showed you guys in the past. One of them is basically a recliner option for you guys to recline the actual seat. So just like this. So that's basically how far I can go. And if you guys bring it back up, that is basically what the product looks like. But for this part right here, it does give you guys an option to recline it how far you guys want. So let's say I want to go this far. If you guys let go, it basically locks it in place right there until you guys pull again. And it brings back up. But what I do recommend is that when you guys do pull the lever to bring it back up, you probably want to lay it back as you guys bring it up. Because if you guys just let it come back by itself, it probably will slingshot really hard on you and you don't want that to happen. So that is basically how you guys use the lever option. For the second lever in the bottom right here is basically the lever for you guys to lift it up and raise it down. So we do stand up. If you guys pull it, that basically raises it up. If you guys pull it again, that will bring it back down. And also another feature about the lever in the bottom is the fact that it does allow you guys to rock the chair. So you can see how when I'm rocking right now, it's basically locked, and that's because we have it pushed in. If you guys pull it out, you can see how we can rock a little bit on here. So basically, if you guys want to use the rocking option, you guys want to pull out the lever. But if you guys want to lock it in place, you guys want to push it in, and we can't rock anymore. And the last thing that I do want to mention is the fact that on the bottom of the chair, if you guys want to adjust the resistance, there's a little knob for you guys to adjust it, which is basically right here. If you guys want to increase or lower the resistance, you basically want to turn that knob right there to adjust it. So after using the product for like a few days or for a few weeks, would I say that the product is actually pretty worth it? So after using this gaming chair for a few days or a few weeks, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys want everything that's on here. In terms of the pillow accessories for the neck and also for lumbar support, and also like the overall design where it actually allows you guys to rock, recline, and also the lever option for you guys to raise it up and down. And also if you guys like the design of the product, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or having one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.